Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple method to create a Telegram account using an online number. If you want to create Telegram accounts easily, then this video is going to be very helpful for you, so make sure you watch the video until the end. As you can see on the screen, I have already created a Telegram account using a Turkish number with a very simple method. You can also do the same by following the steps shown in this video. First of all, you will need to open the website that provides online numbers. You will find the link to this website in the description of this video. Once you open the website, you will see its main interface on the screen. At the top of the website, there is an option to select a service. Here, you can choose the service for which you want to receive the verification code. For example, you can select Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, or any other platform that requires phone number verification. After selecting the service, you will need to choose a country. On the country section, you can see many different countries available. After selecting the country and service, click on the Get Code button. As soon as you click on Get Code, the website will generate a phone number for you. Now simply copy this phone number and open the Telegram application. Once Telegram is open, paste the number into the phone number field and click on the arrow icon to continue. Telegram will then send an SMS with an activation code to that number. Now go back to the website where you got the number. On the screen, you will see a message saying, "Waiting for SMS," which means the website is waiting to receive the verification code. If the SMS does not appear immediately, you can refresh the page or click on View SMS. Within a few seconds, the verification message will appear and you will be able to see the code. Now, simply copy the verification code from the website and paste it into the Telegram app. After entering the code, Telegram will verify the number and your Telegram account will be created successfully. You can repeat the same process if you want to create more Telegram accounts. The method is simple and works for other platforms as well. If you want to register on other social media apps or websites that require phone number verification, you can use the same steps. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you liked the video, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment below. Your feedback really helps the channel grow. And if there is any other platform or service you want me to explain in the next video, feel free to tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.